Good evening, y'all. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. This is take 3 on this video. I hadn't even posted it yet. This is a 6-pill. Just built. Old Tim down here in the Carolinas. Truck driver. And I thought I'd shoot this video real quick before he picks it up. We gotta set up his antenna and his coax. Got him some new coax, new antenna. Everything. That's what we're gonna hook up in his truck. This was a 4-pill, and I took a 4-pill out of it and put everything back in the new copper board, new heat sink, new transformers, new coax, new combiners, new inductors, new relays, new connectors out in the back, strain relief, wire, everything. Everything is new. Only thing I didn't use new was 4 of the transistors. And that's about it. And this is just the amp. Just a 6-pill with a radio drive. Let me show you the talk through on it. 5-watt slug and reverse going back towards the radio.
Hello, 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 hello.
Less than a half a watt, a little over a quarter. It's the amp on with just the radio drive. It's 1000-watt slug. Everything, just a little bit of key. This is just a radio drive and a 1000-watt slug. Audio. It's about 240. 240. Reading that bottom scale. About 240 on that. Put the thing in peak. See what she's doing in peak. Just radio drive. Audio. It's right around 700. 680, 700. Ain't be too critical on the watts on that, because she's doing what it's supposed to. Turn the peak kit off. Alright, I'm going to hook a little 1-pill Dave made up to it. And we're going to drive it into it. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Turn a little 1-pill on. Same 1000-watt slug. Read that bottom scale. Alrighty. Oh shit. That ain't good. Got a connector loose back here. Alright, got the connector good and tight. Alright, we're going to see what this thing's doing. 1000-watt slug. This is a drive, it's a little 1-pill. Audio. It's right around 35, 40 bird. On peak side. Audio. So what's that? Let's look through the camera. Audio. About 140 peak. That's what's going into it. And he's going to drive his amp with a Connex 4600. I think it's a 4600 HP, I think. So I'm going to drive the 1-pill into this. Turn it on, 1000-watt slug, peak kit's off. That's what it's doing, bird. Again, it's that bottom scale. The 40 is 400 and the 60 is 600. Audio. So she's doing about 560, 580. I think his radio is going to hit it a little harder than this. This is on 15 volts. And yeah, that's what she's doing. That's a 1-pill driving into the 6. 1000-watt slug. Oh, she hit that 600 mark. Get that right tone in it. Alright, we're going to pull a 1000 watt slug out. 2500 watt scale in. We'll read that peak scale. Turn the peak kit on. We're reading that top mark. Top scale. Audio. We're doing about 1250, 1200. Audio. About 1200. Like I said, his radio will probably push a little bit harder because it's got a 2-pill built in it. It's just a 1-pill. And that's it. I made some little plugs here. I took some transistors and knocked the top off of them and got all that off of it. Made them nice and smooth on the sander and turned them upside down. So these are upside down. And I put a little bit of splatter paint on top of them. I was thinking it might match the copper board, but it didn't. But that's just to keep some dust out of them holes. He might want to make this 8-pill one of these days. Like I said, it's going in a big truck. It's going to be kind of dusty in there. He hauls scrap metal. And I hope that thing don't beat and bang around too much. But he's on air ride cab. But it does get a little dusty. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. If you need something done like this, hit me up on Facebook. 3-Man Apps on Facebook. That's the number 3, MADEAMPS. I am on Facebook. You message me and I will get back with you. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. Y'all have a good one. Later.